Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. Today we will read the next chapter, that is Ishwaran the Storyteller. So first let me tell you what characters we will be reading about in this story are Mahinder, who is a supervisor, and he has a cook whose name is Ishwaran. Right? So let's start the story. Okay, before starting the story, let me introduce you with the writer whose name is R.K. Lakshman. Now let's start the story. This is a story about Mahinder, a junior supervisor, and his cook Ishwaran. This I told you, Mahinder जो supervisor है और ईश्वरन उनका cook है. Farmer had to keep moving from place to place as ordered by headed office. So Mahinder was working and he works in a construction site. So he gets order of frequently he get transferred to different places. उनका हर थोड़े थोड़े दिन बाद क्या होता था, तबादला होता था. वो अलग अलग नई नई जगह पे जाते थे. And with him he used to take his cook. But he had fortunately an expert caretaker, Ishwaran, who cooked his meals, washed his clothes and chatted with him at night. You must be aware जो construction sites होती हैं, they are at very lonely place, right? So to take care of his, he used to take cook Ishwaran with him. Wherever he got transferred, Ishwaran used to go with him. Now let's read about Ishwaran. Ishwaran was very fond of reading Tamil thrillers during his spare time. As a result, he innovated his own thrillers and would tell about it to Mahinder. So as I told you, he was very fond of reading books. So जब हम कुछ चीजें पढ़ते हैं, so we also start thinking about in the same way. So he used to read thriller books and he used to create his own stories. And then he would narrate those stories to Mahinder. The latter used to hear patiently without finding any loopholes in this story. Ishwaran often in his stories narrated about elephants. So most of the stories of Ishwaran were of elephants. And the narrator means and the Mahinder used to listen them very carefully without interrupting him. His stories were like, for example, he told a story about how he paralyzed a mad elephant that he had gone berserk. He told that there were timber logs loaded on trucks, but if an elephant went mad, no mahout could control it. Mahout means someone who look after or someone who train elephants. So he's saying if there is an elephant who has gone mad, what he can means a loaded truck he can disbalance the loaded truck as well. So he was telling a story about a mad elephant to Mahinder, and he told that the elephant entered a school ground where children were playing and breaking through the brick wall. Right? Children and teachers ran helter to save their lives. Obviously, if we will see some elephant is coming to our school, what we will do? We will be running from one place to another. In the same way, when they saw suddenly elephant is entering into their school, they started running. So the elephant was stunned when Ishwaran, then only a little boy, took a rod and hit at the elephant's third toe nail. So what Ishwaran was saying that he took a rod from the little boy, and what he did, he hit on the elephant's third toe nail. And what he says, Ishwaran says that if we hit at that point, the nervous system of elephant gets paralyzed. Means in the whole story, the Ishwaran is trying to tell how he controlled, or he is the hero of this story, that he controlled a mad elephant. Right? So like this, his stories were kept going on, and Mahinder used to listen them very carefully or very interestingly. Finally, one day he was talking about spirits of ancestors, right? So Ishwaran began to talk about ghosts as well. As I told you, he used to read thriller books, so he used to think in the same way. Now he was talking about the ghost. He said that the place where they had their shed was once a burial ground. अब क्या बोल रहे हैं महेंद्र को कि जहां हम रह रहे हैं ये एक समय पे क्या होता था, यहाँ एक समय पे यह कब्र होती थी, राइट? अब वो अपने मन से कहानी बनाने लगे एंड ही स्टार्टेड टेलिंग दिस स्टोरी टू महेंद्र. Now he was telling that he had came across so many ghosts but he is not afraid or scared of them. He told Mahinder about a woman ghost seen only on a full moon night. You know, when someone starts sharing a story, all means everyone goes through this phase and everyone start telling their own story. In the same way, Ishwaran started telling a story that on a full moon day there is a woman who is a ghost and she comes only on a full moon night. She mourned and carried a fetus in her arms. So as I told you, the Ishwaran told there is a woman who carries a fetus in her arm and she mourned. Mourn means to hum in a low sound, कुछ हल्की आवाज में गुनगुनाना. एंड फीटस मीन्स टू कैरी अ बेबी विच इज स्टिल डेवलपिंग इन दी बॉडी, है ना. नवजात शिशु बोलते हैं जो कि अभी भी डेवलप हो रहा है. ही सेज दैट वो विमेन अपने बच्चे को कैरी करके क्या करती है, हल्की आवाज में इधर से उधर फुल मून नाइट में घूमती है. नाउ महेंद्र वॉज टेरिफाइड, so that he started thinking of a woman ghost on full moon night.